Ever felt like traditional banking just isn't quite it? Like there's a whole world of modern, streamlined financial tools out there that you're missing out on? Maybe you've heard whispers of digital-first banking, accounts that live on your phone and offer a fresh approach to managing your money. Well, you're in the right place, because today, we're diving into exactly that. We're going to explore how you can step into this world by creating a Lunar account. Now, Lunar isn't your grandfather's bank. It's a Nordic challenger bank that's been making waves with its user-friendly app, transparent fees, or often, a lack thereof, and a focus on empowering you with your finances. Think of it as a financial companion designed for the way we live today, fast-paced, digital, and always on the go. So, why might you want a Lunar account? Perhaps you're tired of hefty bank charges chipping away at your balance. Maybe you crave a sleek, intuitive mobile app that makes tracking your spending a breeze. Or perhaps you're simply curious about exploring the possibilities of modern banking alternatives. Whatever your reason, setting up a Lunar account is a straightforward process, and we're going to walk through it step by step. First things first, you'll need your trusty smartphone, whether it's an Android or an iOS device. Head over to your App Store, that's the Google Play Store for Android users and the App Store for those on Apple devices. In the search bar, type in Lunar and look for the official Lunar app. It should have the Lunar logo, which is typically a distinctive, modern design. Once you've found it, tap Install and let the magic happen. Once the app is downloaded, go ahead and open it. You'll be greeted with a welcome screen and prompted to start the sign-up process. This usually involves providing some basic personal information. Don't worry, this is standard procedure for any financial institution to verify your identity and ensure the security of your account. You'll likely be asked for things like your name, date of birth, email address, and phone number. Next up, you will probably need to verify your identity. This is a crucial step in ensuring the security of your account and complying with financial regulations. Lunar, like most digital banks, typically uses a digital identification process. This often involves taking a clear photo of your government-issued identification document, such as your passport or national ID card, using your phone's camera. The app will guide you through this process, ensuring you capture all the necessary details. In some cases, you might also be asked to record a short video selfie to further confirm your identity. This adds an extra layer of security and helps prevent fraud. Just follow the on-screen instructions, making sure your face is clearly visible and well-lit. Once your identity has been verified, you'll likely be asked to provide a residential address. This is important for account setup and communication purposes. Make sure the address you provide is accurate and up-to-date. Depending on the specific features Lunar offers in your region, you might also be asked to link an existing bank account. This can be useful for easily transferring funds into your new Lunar account. The app will guide you through the secure process of connecting your external bank account. Finally, you will probably need to agree to Lunar's terms and conditions and privacy policy. It's always a good idea to take a moment to read through these documents to understand your rights and responsibilities as an account holder. And that's generally it. Once you've completed all these steps, Lunar will typically review your application. This process can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of business days, depending on the volume of applications they're processing. You will usually receive a notification within the app or via email once your account is approved and ready to use. Congratulations! You've now taken the first steps towards a potentially simpler and more modern way of managing your finances. You can now explore the features of the Lunar app, from tracking your spending and setting budgets to potentially accessing other services they might offer, like savings accounts or investment options. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.